have all been shed now. We've said our last goodbye. His soul's been blessed and he's laid to rest. It's now I feel alone. He was more than just a father, a teacher, my best friend. He can still be heard in the tunes we shared when we played them on our own. No, I never will forget him, for he made me what I am. Though he may be gone, memories linger on, and I miss him, my old man. As a boy, he'd take me walking by mountain, field and stream. He'd show me things not known to kings, and secret between him and me. Like the colours of the pheasant as he rises in the dawn, and how to fish and make a wish beside a holy tree. No, I never will forget him, for he made me what I am. Though he may be gone, memories linger on, and how I miss him, the old man. I thought he'd live forever. He seemed so big and strong, but the minutes fly, the years roll by, for a father and a son. And suddenly, when it happened, there was so much left unsaid. No second chance to tell him thanks for everything he's done. No, I never will forget him, for he made me what I am. Though he may be gone, memories linger on, and how we miss him, the old man. Thank you. Good night. Take care.